Here we are. It's not that big. It's about 5 meters. Hello, fellow bricklinkers. Cleaning up the attic. As you can see, there's a disaster laying over here, and starting to take this already away. There's a huge space that's now vacant, so this is the first thing that'll go into the new storage location. Already moved some stuff. We'll let you know once everything is moved. Needs to go basically because over there they're gonna install an airco unit in like 10 days from now. So yeah, lot to do. Hope I can finish it in time. Keep you posted. So walking to my new storage box. Actually very happy with it. I'm gonna show you. Here we are. It's not that big. It's about 5 square meters. Should be more than sufficient to put all my stuff away. And I'm thinking like here is gonna be a rack where I can put my spare material on. So yeah, and this will clean out the house very